I was broke, tired of waiting for a miracle, and done with excuses. So I built a system, and these 7 proven money habits stopped me from surviving and finally made me rich. Habit 1. Pay yourself first. The moment money lands, remove a fixed percent and treat it like a bill. If you do not force saving, you will always spend automated, so your future gets paid before your impulses. Habit 2. Track every rupee. If you do not measure it, you cannot fix it. Track every expense for 30 days. Find the leaks, remove the waste, and let numbers control your decisions. Habit 3. Protect lifestyle and amplify skills when income rises. Resist upgrading your life. Keep expenses flat and invest in high-income skills like sales, marketing, coding, or negotiation skills. Compound longer than luxury. Habit 4. Automate investing. Set automatic transfers into investments every month. Consistency beats timing, and small, regular investments turn into powerful compounding machines. Habit 5. Build one income multiplier. Focus on one scalable asset, like a digital product, service, or content system. One focused multiplier beats multiple random hustles. If this is hitting you, subscribe to Money Matrix site and comment habit, because wealth is built by repetition, not emotion. Habit 6. Delay impulse buying. Use a simple 24-hour rule. Most emotional purchases die with time. Protect capital by creating friction. Habit 7. Protect your attention. Your focus is currency. Remove cheap dopamine during work hours. Deep focus converts directly into income. Wealth is not luck. It is disciplined systems repeated daily. Pay yourself. Track numbers. Upgrade skills. Automate investing. Build multipliers. Delay impulses and guard your attention. Subscribe to Money Matrix site, like this video, and comment. Start. If you are choosing systems over excuses, your future wealth depends on what you repeat